what? He is Weather Sports Crew coming to you from the Florida International Airshow with my friend Liv. I'm here with Liv and her parents, and we are having some fun here, watching these planes, military planes. Yeah, we're gonna have a good time today.
You're gonna have to call it out because the Thunderbirds are parked and blocked my view. Let's see it. Here they are, right down low, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, I'm told she got it. Give her a hand, Patty Wagstaff. And the inverted ribbon cut.
Man.
An outstanding job by one of the most remarkable pilots in the business.
Pretty good aviation, if I must say so myself.
Without them, her flying for you today would not be possible. That includes MT propellers, Moe's, the best in aviation, Champion Aerospace, her friends at Sarasota Avionics, Concord Battery, Lord Mouse, and of course, her sponsor right here, folks, made it possible for Patty Wagstaff to keep seeing. That is centerforsight.net. You're having trouble seeing Patty stunts in the sky, or you have vision.
That's really high up.
Well, just go see the world-renowned ophthalmologist,
These guys.
took care of
These guys
Patty's
are
eye.
real.
Doctors at Center for Sight.
Real.
They performed the cataract surgery for Patty. They can see with 20/20 vision without glasses. Centerforsight.net. Again, centerforsight.net. Big sponsor for Patty Wagstaff's performance here today.
Pretty bright out.
I work at Sporties as well, Sports Pilot Shop. You can find her at sporties.com. You can download some of those videos, and you might even hear my voice on a few of them. But I love watching Patty and working with her. And her aerobatic training course at Sporties is so incredible. You go take classes, no wheel course, and then you go see her, and you fly with her at her own flight school. I'm telling you, it is a remarkable experience. Upset training, all kinds of crazy stuff that she does as an airline pilot. Go down there and take your course. You'll be a step ahead of everybody.
Yeah, I know. I should have worn my Army tank top
Go
today.
take your upset training course. In fact, I don't even know if it's been announced yet, but I know that they are setting up a charitable nonprofit to actually train aviators for upset training. What a legacy that she leaves. Patty Wagstaff, one of the rock stars in the business, an all-star in aviation, a living legend. I mean, I'm serious. Her airplane hangs just bare feet from the Wright brothers' Wright Flyer in downtown Washington, D.C. What you are seeing today is truly a legend of aviation.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a little military appreciation to all those watching us who are in the military or were in the military. Salute. Thank you all for your service and dedication to our country.
360-degree turn. Look at that. Can you rub your tummy and scratch your head at the same time? That's what it's like doing. Patty just makes it look so easy. Yeah, now she's finishing it. You gotta go back and watch some Patty Wagstaff videos when you get home tonight. Pull her up on the YouTube and watch some videos. Back in the 80s, you'll see her earrings going all around, her hair going all around. It still looks like that today. She is just one of the coolest people alive. A writer, a pilot. She's flown everything from fireplanes, bush planes. But her passion lies in teaching. I'm telling you the truth on this. You gotta go find her at pattywagstaff.com and learn more about her.
All right.
It's very easy to remember, right?